In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Claude Code and NotebookLM. While there isn't a native one-click integration between these tools, you can connect them seamlessly with a simple workflow that treats NotebookLM as your knowledge base and Claude Code as your coding partner. Start by uploading your source material into NotebookLM. This can include PDFs, documentation, design notes, meeting summaries, or research articles. Keep your files organized in a single notebook and use clear titles so you can quickly find and reference them later. Group related documents together. The more coherent the collection, the better the downstream results. Next, let NotebookLM do the heavy lifting by generating summaries and insights. Ask it to produce a clear, concise, high-level overview, call out key requirements, constraints, and definitions, and extract any important steps or edge cases. If your project spans multiple documents, have it synthesize the common themes and point out differences. The goal is to distill everything you need for coding into a tight, accurate brief. Scan the output to ensure it reflects the source material faithfully, and refine the prompts until the summary reads like the specification you wish you had. Once you've got a solid set of notes or a polished summary, copy that content. Before moving it over, trim repetition, remove marketing fluff, and keep only what Claude Code truly needs to understand the problem. If there are domain terms or data formats, keep those in. They anchor the context. It can also help to add short headings like purpose, inputs, outputs, and constraints as long as they mirror what NotebookLM produced, not new content. Now bring that context into Claude Code. Paste the NotebookLM summary at the top of your prompt and clearly separate it from your request. For example, start with a brief line that says this is project documentation generated from your sources, followed by the summary. Then add a direct instruction such as, now generate code based on this, or please write a function that satisfies these requirements with tests and comments. If the summary is long, break it into parts and send them in successive messages before asking for code so the model can absorb everything. Keep your ask concrete and aligned with the context you provided, and reference sections by name to guide the model. This workflow shines for research-heavy coding and documentation to code tasks. By letting NotebookLM refine your knowledge and Claude Code act on it, you get faster, clearer results with fewer revisions.